The warming rack sits above the cooking grates inside your barbecue. It provides a place to keep cooked food warm. It can also be used to cook foods that don't need the searing heat of the cooking grates. The warming rack can be accidentally bent. It can rust after many years of use, or it can simply be lost if you remove it from your grill. Replacing the warming rack is simple to do, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. The warming rack simply sits inside the notches on either side of the grill body. To remove it, I just lift it out of the notches. To install the new warming rack, I just line up the wire tabs on either side with the notches in the body. And that's how easy it is to replace the warming rack on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.